So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Toyota Prius XLE Hybrid, and I want to take a moment to showcase how to swap out the battery in your key fob should it go bad. So first off, grab your key fob. Locate on the bottom where you would attach a keychain. You'll see this little slider with an arrow, and what you're going to do is slide that in the direction the arrow is pointing, and what it's going to do is release a manual key from behind here. So now you got the manual key. Normally when I do these key videos, I say put the manual key to the side, you won't need it, but it's real useful in the case of many Toyotas because there's this little beveled edge down here on the bottom of the manual key. And what you're going to do is you're going to place that in there and basically pop the key in half. So place it right in the middle. I'm going to try to put it on camera as best as I can. There's going to be a perfect slot for that beveled edge to go. And put it in and then twist up or down, your preference, but you're basically going to be prying the key fob into two pieces. So there we are. So one side is going to have basically a circuit board, the other side is going to be the key fob. So but in the middle is the circuit board. So as you can see, the battery is a Panasonic CR2032 battery. I will put a link in the description for the cheapest CR2032 battery you can find on Amazon, so you can quickly get it for your ease of use. But you can pop this out using that same bevel. You can use your finger. Just on the battery that you're taking out doesn't matter, but on the battery you put back, try not to touch the bottom that does not have the CR32 branding that you put back with the oils of your fingers, because it can just diminish the lifespan of that battery, just because, you know, we have oils on our fingers and they kind of ruin batteries. So pretend I popped this out, because I do not need to, because it still works. Put the new one in, and you're just going to do the reverse and clamshell everything back together. I recommend being sure not to hit the red button on the back while you're clamshelling it back together. Then grab your manual key, slide it back in, and you are done. You do not need to recode the key to your car or anything like that. It will remember that it is your key. You were simply swapping out the battery. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.